What going on, world? Nashan back in the building. Frost to all my peoples out there. We there. Anyway, so we'll get off another big story for today. Jah Cure, we find out his fate, and the judge ruled that he was found guilty in the attempted manslaughter, and he's gonna be he's sentenced to 6 years with time served. All of this went down in October. Attitude he's picked up as of recent, and we only wish the best for him. I hope he holds his head, or best of him. I hope he's safe. So both Jah Cure and the prosecutor can both file appeals in the appeals court within 2 weeks if they don't like the outcome of the judge's ruling. Press reporter told Dancehall Mag, and let's see what happens here, if he's going to get the appeal for the 6 years, if he can get it reduced. I don't know. But it was a court with 3 judges that all 3 of them found him guilty on attempted manslaughter on Mr. Ricardo Papa Blake. So, boy, Jah Cure Africa sit down a little bit, and cool off, humble himself. I wish they didn't have to go down like this, but it seems like a precedent was wanted to be set due to the fact that it was in a daylight and a prominent district in the Netherlands. The judge wanted to have a precedent set that, I guess, for foreigners to behave yourself when you're in town. And it's really sucks for Jah Cure, because when all of this is finished, and if they do a deportation process, the Netherlands are a part of the European Union, and that would probably prevent him from going into any territory in Europe. He can't go into the US from his previous conviction. He can't go into the UK. He can't go into now the European Union. His touring options are, getting really restricted or slim. His options are running out. But he has the Asian market. He has the Africa continent. You can tour there, Rasta. So that would be smart. I definitely would do some music business, studying some law. You got to do something now, because you have 6 years to figure it out. Hothead business don't get you anywhere. It's all this over 5,000 euros. Don't get me wrong. We all don't like to be given 6 for 9. You went over there on some business, and the business look a little shaky, and you get upset, which is natural to feel upset. But come on now, you can't take those overboard measures. The judge even felt that this was a trivial matter and that Jah Cure overblown and escalated the matter. So what that said? That means say that them say a little something. You could have made this go on cool. 5,000 euro, you know, rich. So if you're rich, hold 5,000 euro I go broke. You don't get me wrong. You don't want nobody diss you and feel say, yo, you do this show and I want to get paid. You are all in your rights to defend your money and getting paid. But come on, bro. You stabbed the guy in his abdomen. He got, what was the word? Stomach perforation wounds. And I've never been stabbed, but I know that's any stabbing, you know, from it broke the skin that I got hurt. You draw blood. Be lucky that it's only 6 years. You know, I wish it was different. That, you know, you didn't get into this altercation, but you did. And you're just gonna pay the price. You know, when you come back out a little wiser, smarter. Hopefully you can get back to better business, and your music also will continue to flourish. But there we go, folks. We're not gonna tie it up too much. Jah Cure Sentenced today. I want to shout out to Dancehall Mag for providing some of the information that I'm reading up. I just want to send a shout out to dnews.nl, the Netherlands news reporter site, as well as dancehallmag.com. You know, they do some excellent reporting, and they was on point with everything that was taking place in the case as well. And I want to thank you for sitting through and watching the video. Do remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Let me know how you feel about the results of Jah Cure Sentences today. Do you think 6 years was enough? Do you think 6 years is too harsh? Do you think he could have got off with some probation or something else? Well, I don't know. What type of punishment do you think was deserved for the crime? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna link you back later. I'm gonna have things to do. I'm gonna come up with some more topics, and we're gonna find some more things because culture don't stop. See? Up the road.